Hey, welcome to Booze Hive. In this video, we're going to make a Pink Lemonade Vodka Slushie. This one tastes very fruity and has a nice pink colour. Start by taking a blender container and add simple syrup, lemon juice, vodka, and cranberry juice. Then top it with ice. Blend it for about 10 seconds. There you go, a Pink Lemonade Vodka Slushie. A tasty and simple summer slushie. Give the video a like if you plan to try it out. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next drink.